Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at trigonometry part 2. Now there's a question for us on the board. It reads, if cos theta equals 12 over 13, find 1 plus cot squared theta. Now before we go on to solve this particular question, I want to quickly introduce us to trigonometry identities. Now, if you look at cot squared theta, okay, let me start with solution. Now, sec theta is the same thing as me saying secant theta. So sec theta is equal to 1 over cos theta. Okay, then cosec theta. Cosec theta is the same thing as me saying cosecant theta, and is equal to 1 over sine theta. All right. Now, tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta. Okay, that's for tan theta. Then our cot theta. Cot theta is the same thing as me saying cotangent theta. Okay, so cos theta is equal to 1 over tan theta. Okay, and that's the same thing as me writing it as cos theta over what? Sine theta. Okay, so let us take note of all of this. Very, very what? Important. Now, how do we now solve this particular question? All right. Now, the first thing here is to have a triangle. Let us have a triangle. Okay, so if I have a triangle like this, all right, this is my hypotenuse. Here is my theta. All right. I want to get the value of what my cos theta on this particular triangle here. Now take note, this is adjacent hypotenuse from SOHCAHTOA, right? So my C here is cos, so A here is the adjacent, while H here is the hypotenuse. So adjacent here is 12. Okay, so take note, here is the hypotenuse, that's the longest side. Okay, and here is the adjacent. So I'm having here as 12. Okay, and then my hypotenuse is 13. All right. Now, if we check this out, I do not have this other side. So I have to use Pythagoras theorem to get this other side. All right. So Pythagoras theorem, let me put it as x. Okay, x, it states that the square on the hypotenuse, which is 13 squared, equals the sum of the squares on the other two sides, x squared plus 12 squared. That is Pythagoras theorem. 13 squared is 169 equals x squared. 12 squared is 144. All right, so let 144 come to this other side. So I'll be having 169 minus 144 equals x squared. 169 minus 144 gives us 25. So x squared equals 25. So let's take the square root of both sides. X equals to what? 5. Square root of 25 is 5. Now, go back to the question. We are having 1 plus cot squared theta. And this is equal to 1 plus. Now, our cot theta is 1 over tan theta. So I can write it as 1 over tan squared theta. Okay? Now, let's go back to that same triangle and find the value of our tan theta. Let's get our tan theta. Okay? Tan theta. Now, let me use this side. Tan theta will be equal to what? Opposite over adjacent. Opposites. These are x, and our x is 5. Opposites. Then our adjacent is what? Is 12. Okay? So 5 over what? Over 12. So I'm going to be having 1 plus 1 over. Tan theta is 5 over 12, but tan square theta becomes 5 over 12 all squared. Okay, so at the end of the day, it becomes 1 plus 1 over 5 is about 2 is 25. That is 5 times 5 over what? 12 is about 2 is 144. That is 12 times 12. So I'm having 144. Okay, now this is equal to 1 plus. Now check this one out. This is 1 over 25 over 144. Okay, so I can write it as 1 divided by 25 over 144. Okay, so it becomes 1 plus 1 times 144 goes up, 25 comes down. So I'm having 144 over what? 25. Okay, so this becomes 1 plus 1 times 144 is 144 over what? 25. All right, so this is 1 over 1. Okay, so LCM of 1 and 25 is 25. If you divide 25 by 1 is 25. 25 times 1 is 25. Plus, if you divide 25 by 25 is 1. 1 times 144 is 144. All right, so if you add 25 and 144, you get 169 over what? 25. Okay, so the answer to this particular question, 1 plus cot square theta, if cos theta equals 12 over 13, is 169 over what? 25. Okay, so if you love this video, please click on the subscription button and like.